Hey guys, so I got a vest from how many years ago, and we're gonna, and this is how much stuffing came in that, like, and there's more, but, like, so we're gonna use this much, and we're gonna make cotton slime, or whatever. I got a plate. I'm pouring some water on it. Oh my gosh. Wet. Now I'm adding some soap. So hopefully it turns out good. Okay, so I have some red, and I'm gonna turn it pink. So hopefully it works out good. Okay, I only put a dot. Now let's mix. Oh my gosh. This stuff, you guys need to make this. I love this stuff. Okay, so it's not the best pink. I have to make some more, but this stuff, no, like, you guys need to make this. This is actually, oh my gosh. I don't know who came up with this, but like, they had like a point, like, no, like, this stuff is so good.